Have you ever heard the phrase worth one's salt and wondered what it means? Let me tell you a funny story about a time when someone misunderstood this idiom. There was a new employee at a company who was told that he was worth his salt. Thinking it was a literal statement, he became very confused and started wondering if he was being paid in salt. Of course, worth one's salt doesn't actually mean being paid in salt. It's an idiom that means someone is valuable, competent, and deserving of their compensation. The origin of this idiom is associated with ancient Rome. While salt was a valuable commodity, it wasn't the primary form of currency. The word salary is derived from the Latin word for salt, sal. Because Roman soldiers were sometimes partially paid with salt or given an allowance to purchase it. Those considered worth their salt were those who earned their salt allowance. Imagine a scenario where you're discussing a colleague who has been consistently delivering high-quality work and going above and beyond in their role. You might say, "She's really worth her salt and deserves a promotion." Here are some more examples of how you can use worth one's salt in different contexts. In a casual conversation, "That new barista is really worth her salt, she's so efficient and friendly." In a formal setting, "The project manager is worth his salt as he has consistently delivered high-quality results on time." In a negative context, "That employee is not worth their salt, they're always late and their work is subpar." In a humorous context, "My dog is worth his salt, he's the best at begging for treats." In a literary context, "The brave soldier was worth his salt, fighting tirelessly to defend his country." In a business setting, "The sales team is really worth their salt, they've been crushing their targets this quarter." On social media, "My new coworker is worth their salt, they're always willing to help out and have a great attitude." To help you remember the meaning of worth one's salt, think of a salt shaker. Just as a salt shaker is valuable and useful, someone who is worth their salt is considered valuable and competent. Now, let's explore some fun facts about this idiom. The idiom reflects the historical importance of salt. Beyond preservation, salt has played a crucial role in various cultures. From religious ceremonies to trade routes, often symbolizing purity, value, and even hospitality. Over time, the usage of worth one's salt has evolved, and it is now commonly used to describe anyone who is considered valuable, competent, and deserving of their compensation. Now, let's look at some related idioms and phrases. Similar idioms: worth one's weight in gold, a dime a dozen, a cut above the rest. Opposite idioms: not worth a dime, a waste of space, a drop in the bucket. Related idioms: earn one's keep, pull one's weight, a valuable asset. Let's try using worth one's salt in a sentence. "The new marketing manager is really worth her salt, she's come up with some brilliant strategies that have boosted our sales." Now, let's rephrase that without using the idiom. "The new marketing manager is highly competent and valuable to the company. Her strategies have significantly improved our sales." I remember a time when a colleague used the idiom worth their salt perfectly in a conversation. We were discussing a team member who had consistently delivered high-quality work and gone above and beyond their job responsibilities. My colleague said, That employee is definitely worth their salt. They're an invaluable asset to the team. Now, let's talk about some common mistakes and how to avoid them when using the idiom worth one's salt. One mistake is to use the wrong preposition, such as saying worth in their salt instead of worth their salt. The correct preposition is there. Another common mistake is to interpret the idiom literally, thinking it refers to being paid in salt, as we saw in the earlier story. Remember, it's a figurative expression, not a literal one. Finally, it's important to use worth one's salt in the appropriate context. Avoid using it to describe something that is not related to a person's skills, competence, or value, such as this meal is worth its salt. In summary, worth one's salt is a valuable idiom that can help you communicate more effectively in English. Remember, it means someone is competent, valuable, and deserving of their compensation. I hope this lesson has helped you understand and use this idiom with confidence. Now, it's your turn. Try using the idiom worth one's salt in a sentence and share it in the comments. I'd love to hear how you're applying what you've learned. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English idiom lessons.